Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we are going to be touring a brand new community by Lennar Homes in the community of Brighton here in the Grand Master Plan of Cadence. And I'm pretty excited to show you at least this home because, to be honest, the way the market has been lately and the price is up so high, I think this is fairly affordable in my opinion. So definitely stay tuned. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are always staying up to date with all the newest new construction homes here throughout the Las Vegas area. Now let's get started. All right, guys, here we are in Henderson and we are in the community of Brighton by Lennar Homes. And for today's property tour, we are going to be checking out floor plan David. Also just did a property tour here on the one next door, floor plan Clara. I will have the link on your top right hand screen if you want to check it out. But to be honest, I recommend checking this one out. This one is the biggest floor plan that is available here in this community, and they go from smallest to biggest. So 3 different floor plans here available. So let's get this show going. So here we have David. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. It is 1,713 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $434,990. That does not include any lot premiums or any upgrade, guys. Just to give you a quick reference, as I'm making this video, there is a home that's ready and not complete. It's under construction, but out the door price right now, they have it priced at $455,230. So do the math. I would say what is that? Around $20,000 difference. So not too, some builders will, they give you the base price, guys, and it's like 100K still on top. So this is not the case here with Lennar. So that's, one of the things I do like about them. They're not, gouging you with, giving you a low base price and then surprising you with all, the upgrades and that out the door price. HOA here is $103 a month. It is a non-gated community. Also, there's only 3 different floor plans here in this community of Brighton. So if this is, if David doesn't work out for you, you do have 2 other options. Not just that, guys, just down the road, I just did a bunch of property tours. They have the community of the Preston, and they have 5 different communities by Lennar Homes. So Lennar is very active here in Cadence and building a ton of homes. And I absolutely love it, to be honest, because that just gives you guys more options, especially if you're trying to be in this area. And they range from so many different prices and sizes. So I'm absolutely loving it. So here's your 2-car garage. Got this nice front covered little porch, I guess you could say, here in the front entrance. Now let's unlock this door and go inside. All right. Ooh, the AC feels good as soon as you walk in, especially still being fall, still pretty warm. So let me show you guys. So immediately here out to the right, you do have a coat closet. Obviously, this is a model home, guys. It doesn't have a door. They also have like the luxury vinyl planks Really nice. 9-foot ceilings. I have to extend my arms out to kind of verify that. Then here you have the powder room. You come over here, guys, and then here to the right, you do have a straight shot going upstairs. But before we go over there, guys, I'll show you here this downstairs. So here we have the living room. Not bad. And in between is the dining and the kitchen. And I'm not gonna lie, I checked out these 3 model homes. This is the last one we are gonna be previewing. And if you look at the past 2 videos, this first floor is really identical. So check those other 2 videos out and you're gonna know what I'm talking about if you missed them. But you got the living room, in between is the dining, and then your kitchen. This one, I would say though, this is the only one that's actually gonna have a pantry, because the other ones don't. This one does, check it out. Well, the other one, they do, but it's in the cabinets, right? Me personally, I want a pantry like this, not in the cabinets, just because this is more flexible, to be honest. You could just fit more. I mean, look, you can stack stuff on the ground, stuff like that, water bottles, paper towels, whatever. That's just my 2 cents. But here's your kitchen. So let me explain how Lennar works if you're not too familiar. So they are a spec builder, but you are also able to, at times build from the ground up. So if you do, the only things you could change, guys, is just gonna be your flooring, countertops, backsplash, and cabinets. Everything else you see throughout the home is gonna be standard with your home purchase. But right, if you want the best deal, guys, I'm always gonna recommend going with the spec home, just because there are quick move-ins, and that's when the builders are willing to will and deal with you guys, right? So if you want the best deals, definitely check out those quick move-ins. I do like this tile backsplash, not too bad. Also, microwave, stove, refrigerator included. What's not included is gonna be your washer and dryer. And when we get to that, I'll explain how it could be included. Stainless steel undermount sink, your osmosis for that nice fresh drinking water. Got the dishwasher. I do like that, that's pretty cool. Maybe put like a little coffee station right there. That's what I would do with it. Maybe you're like, nah, that's a little bar. Put my little bottles right there. Hey, everybody has their different ideas, right? And different taste. That is totally fine. But yeah, interesting. They snuck this in, which I like it, because it's like, what would you do with this corner, right? So at least they made some more storage for you guys. Like I said, I would put my Keurig coffee maker, put it right here, that's me. Also, that door right there, if you're wondering, that's your 2-car garage. Locked, don't have access to it, unfortunately. So don't be mad at me. All builders, to be honest, typically lock it. And all that, some people ask me like, hey, Romero, like, if they want to sell the house, like, why are they locking the garage? Well, let me explain, guys. So for the most part, when a new community is under construction, typically that's where they either store stuff or that's where the superintendent office is at while they're building here in this community. So that's why they keep them locked. Maybe he's in there working. Maybe they have just valuable stuff in there, right? They can have washer, dryer, so stuff like that. So that's why they keep them locked, if you're wondering. So unfortunately, I don't have access to the backyard. They have it locked. They have the stopper right here, as you can see. You can't slide it. I'll show you proof. See, it stops. So don't be mad at me, but I'll do my best, guys, to still show you from here. So landscaping, guys, this is just, it's done right now because it's a model home, but just keep in mind when you buy a new construction home, clean slate, just dirt, guys. Typically have 12 months to complete, but I would say, this backyard, at least with this floor plan, is about 20 feet from the back of the house to the fence, just to give you a rough idea of the size of this backyard. Yeah, so it's unfortunate I just can't walk back there. I wish I could, because I get a lot of people that backyard's really important. I don't blame you, right? Some people spend a lot of time in the backyard, some don't. A little of everything, right? That's why I do love real estate. So now let's go upstairs. As we head upstairs, guys, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for a notification. Also, if you would love or like to come see this property in person, schedule a private showing, let me know. I will have my contact info in the description below, guys. And I know I say this in all my videos, guys, and I do apologize if you watch my videos all the time and you hear me saying this. And the reason I say it, guys, is because I don't know if this is your first time watching it, but if it is, guys, quick little disclaimer, guys, if you would like to have a real estate agent like myself, or maybe you already have your own realtor, totally fine. Still important that if you are gonna come check out this home or even any new construction home, guys, it is super critical that we come with you on that first visit. A lot of people make a mistake of just showing up because there is agents on site. So like, hey, I'm just gonna show up. I thought you were busy. Hey, let me know, guys, because if you show up alone, guys, and you end up wanting to buy a home in the community, the builder is not gonna allow us to represent you later on because you showed up alone. So quick little heads up. So contact info in the description below, guys, if you would love for me to be your agent, and I sure do hope so. But loft, check out this loft. I do love it how they have it like a game loft. I absolutely love it. Got the TV, got the foosball, got the, the chest. Come on, look at that. And then right behind me is your laundry room. Like I mentioned earlier, washer and dryer is not included. As you can see, it is optional to purchase when you do buy your home here. But if you do have an agent like myself, or even if you have your agent, guys, have them negotiate that. It's not guaranteed they'll throw it in, but at the end of the day, guys, you don't get what you don't ask for. So it doesn't hurt to try. So here we have the smart panel box for your internet and your cables, all that good stuff. And also you'll notice here upstairs, carpet, you're only gonna get tile flooring in just the wet areas like your laundry room, bathrooms here upstairs. So now we have bedroom number 1. Good size. Just looking at this one definitely has already a bigger bedroom than the other floor plans. Then you also have this nice, really good size, I would say, walk-in closet. Not bad for it not being a primary. I'll tell you what, not bad. Sometimes there's homes with a primary closet that big, so definitely digging that because I know there's, my clients out there are really big on closets at times. But yeah, I mean, these bedrooms are definitely bigger than Alexis and Clara. So remember, the bigger bedroom is gonna be Plan David, guys. And you also have it with the walk-in. Okay, I dig it. So technically all bedrooms here in David have a walk-in closet. So gets even better, right? Now, hallway bathroom, dual vanity. I do like how it has dual vanity, guys, to be honest, especially if you have 2 bedrooms here, it makes sense. One for, whoever's staying in each bedroom has their own sink. So I really like that. Now, right over here is your primary. Let's check out this bad boy. Look at this. So you got 2 windows. Also, I forgot to mention 9-foot ceilings here upstairs. I do like at least they went with 9, right? Sometimes they're 8, the space does feel smaller. And right over here, you have dual vanity. Then here to the right is your stand-up shower. I do have to say that this primary does feel bigger than the other ones, just a tad bigger. And I find this interesting, guys, how this window is in between both of your mirrors. How do you feel about that? You okay with, I wish they would have probably gone higher, because sometimes people want to customize their bathroom and maybe put a big mirror. I don't know. Nowadays, people put those single mirrors with the lights around them and all that. So maybe it's not a big deal, but just want to point that out. Over here is your toilet. And last but not least, your walk-in closet. What y'all think? Yay or nay? Well, guys, this concludes this property tour. Let me know in the comments below what you like, what you don't. Also, you know, when you have a moment, check out the other two floor plans here on my channel. It's Lexus and Clara, and then, you know, maybe you can compare the three and see which one is the best fit for you. Maybe none of them are a fit for you guys. But also, if you would like to come schedule a private showing, come check out this model home or another home in this community, or even other community, guys. Or maybe, guys, sometimes I get clients too that want to use home. I do use homes. I sell used homes as well, guys. I even assist people looking to sell their home. So all around agent, guys. I just don't do new construction. Some people get confused. No, guys, I do it all. I just love showcasing these new construction homes. I do work with a lot of out-of-state clients, and not just that, even here locally. A lot of people, you know, especially with interest rate, guys, it like almost makes better sense to buy a new construction home because they're buying down the rate for you guys versus, you know, if you buy a used home, not to say you can't buy it down, but somebody has to pay for it, either the seller, which is sometimes could be difficult to make the seller because now you're kind of eating into their profits, or you could pay out of pocket and buy down that rate on a used. So many benefits that new construction home has. So if you would like more information, you know, reach out to me, guys. Here to help. That's why I make these videos for you guys to, you know, to provide value, obviously, and here to help any way I can. So if you have any questions or need any advice, guys, I will have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Also, guys, do me a huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.